To make the chainless foundation double crochet, we have to start with a slip knot. Chain 3. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, pull through 1. We made the chain under the double crochet. We still have 3 loops on the hook. Take the yarn, pull through 2 loops and pull through the 2 loops again. We have the chain 3 and 1 double crochet. Yarn over, pass the crochet hook through the chain of the bottom part, taking both loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1 again. We made again the chain and we have to complete now the double crochet. We have to make the double crochet. Pass the crochet hook through the chain of the bottom part, taking both loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1 again. We made the next chain and make the double crochet. And this is how we have to make the chainless foundation double crochet. And this is more elastic than using the foundation chain.